Hi guys, in this video we will do a speed test of Digi Wi-Fi. Yeah, let the speed test begin. First, this is Windows 10 app speedtest.net. Wow, ping is very high, but the download speed is stable. Look at the task manager, download speed is 27 Mbps, quite nice. But for the upload speed is very bad, not acceptable. I mean, it's below 1 Mbps. But the download speed is okay and nice. We test another server, this server. Hope the result will get better. Oh, really nice thing, suitable for gaming. And the download speed is lower than the previous server. And the upload speed is better than the previous server. So this is not a line fault, it's just a server fault. Maybe. Let's test on their own server, Digi server. Ping is quite nice. Speed test for the download is okay. 25 Mbps, 27 Mbps. And let's see the upload speed of okay. It's higher than the previous server. I mean, the test is getting better and better. I mean, it's quite good for wireless broadband. Alright, let's try with TM server. What happened? Okay, ping is also nice. It's just the same with the Digi server. Quite okay. I mean, this kind of speed is enough for most of the things we do every day. It's better than 10 Mbps, which Wifi like provides. I mean, this speed test is quite good. Next step is using fast.com, using Edge browser. So we can see that Digi doesn't give any speed cap. We get full speed from our page speed. I mean, this is a quota. The download speed is quite okay. 20 Mbps, quite stable for video streaming. And the speed is quite good. So we can see the latency and upload speed, which is also good. Not the best, but good. Okay. Next test is YouTube. We will test 4K, 2K, 1080p, 720p to see that this Digi Go buffering or not. So we can see the video is loading and caching. Now it's 1080p. Sorry, so we can test 4K. Let's see. Okay, good for the 4K internet speed. No buffering at all. Wow. Quite good, quite nice. So no speed test for YouTube. So it's quite good. So Digi is quite good for video streaming. It's very fast, so no worries if the YouTube buffering or not. This test is about how fast is your download speed when downloading file. So we'll test the 100 MB file. So we can see how long it takes to download 100 MB file. We get nearly above 30 Mbps, so it's good. Roughly no longer than a minute to download 100 MB file. So nice. Okay, the download is complete. So it's below 1 minute. Very fast for downloading 100 MB file. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe this video. Thank you very much. For that, I want to show you that this is router interface management. So we're using LTE. It's true, yeah? Bye guys.